weekend smile, guys. So a week ago, we said goodbye to 2021 and welcomed the new year. So as we plan for the year ahead, let's reflect on the moments that shaped our year with a fun activity, right? We will roll the dice, and the numbers we will get, will correspond with a question about our 2021 experiences. Debbie, don't throw up the dice, miss. Roll it. Roll it.
I just want to see, how much I'm going to... Okay, ready?
Yeah, roll. So Debbie just rolled the dice a while ago.
Tal, you're number one. So
no, it's your
Talia
number
has
one.
picked number one.
Oh, no, you.
Oh, all right,
you
cool.
get number one.
My number one. My question is...
What's the question?
For number one? Okay. What is
thing.
the biggest... Oh, that's what I'm choosing.
Okay.
What is the biggest lesson from last year? Oh, gosh. I made a post about this, The biggest lesson that I learned last year was... when you're going through something, keep going. Mm-hmm. And it wasn't really a lesson, but more of a reminder.
Okay.
Because last year was by far the most difficult year for me. And looking at me, you would have never know. But
you look great, though.
Losing your father
and
losing your auntie weeks apart is like heart-shattering. Yeah. And it's almost like you're forced to continue because life is continuing. And there's a time when I got so upset, like, how is everybody proceeding with life? But life continues, and you have to pick up yourself and continue as well, because your loved ones would want you to do that.
Yeah, so, if it's any consolation, Debs, you looked okay. You held up.
I held up.
Yeah,
that is it. I held up.
You held up.
Yeah.
All right. So my turn. All right.
Well, I tell you can't want to flick the dice long time.
All right. No, bad thing, that joke. Six. Clive, bring back the dice. I am sorry.
Can somebody,
manager,
get back the dice?
Please. Oh, reach over there. I don't even know. All right, number 6. Let's see what number 6 says. Oh, wow. One word to describe 2021. I would use the word gratitude and grateful. I was extremely grateful. Just grateful to make it through, to get through the year. It was, I wouldn't say it was an uncertain year. It was a little bit different, but I was extremely grateful for everything, every step of the way. And I still had my support system. The persons around me and closest to me, they were healthy. And things were not always perfect, but they were healthy and okay and safe.
Yeah.
And I think that's what I could ask for. And the opportunities that God just presented in my life,
he do it?
Sometimes you don't even see it coming, they just come. And with that being said, I said, God, you are doing what I can't even see. Right? When they say you move with faith and not by sight, yeah, man, it was just one of those years you just do and do and do. And I think that I think for me, I've just been filled with gratitude about how the year turned out.
Give me a masked high five.
Whoa! Okay, got it. All right,
Love that.
Next
that.
Let's say if you land back on one, you see? All right, good. 4.
Question 4. Question 4, I'm going to take the one that says, something you plan to do different in the new year. I plan people, I don't know if it's going to work. I plan to eat different. No, I plan to eat different-ish. But, like more vegetable, less carbs, that aspirational kind of thing.
First of all,
whether or not it's realistic, though, that is another part. You understand?
From about 2019, Debbie planned the day,
Debbie
planning this from about 2019.
I'm a trying girl. Right? It's very hard. And especially when hungry lick you and you only kind of grab for you available, which is usually not the best or the healthiest options. You know what I mean? Like when you're hungry on the road, a salad is not in reach, oftentimes.
No, Debbie.
There's a cook shop, though.
Debbie.
There is a cook shop that have good rice and peas and curry chicken.
Curry goat, fried chicken with the curry gravy.
You understand what I say? And then, when cook shop serve them food, the half a box of rice first.
I don't eat rice.
When cook shop serve your food, the half a box of rice first, and then the little meat on the side. And maybe a little macaroni or maybe a little vegetable. You understand? So, yeah, that is the plan.
Okay. I am
See how you go.
hoping that your plan works out there.
Me too.
I just banned myself from rice overall. So I just don't even look at it. I don't think about it. Like once in a while, like my grandma will
Like,
get
what
me
is a
to.
rice, right?
What is that? I don't
What is
know.
a rice?
We don't fool around that. All
Okay.
right. One.
Go tell.
Well, one say again. Or the next one. It says
A funny thing.
funny thing that happened this past year. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know if
Has
anything
something to do with dancing? No?
No, well,
Okay.
you know,
No?
funny enough, I felt like I learned a move or two. I did. I mean, frequency has been working on me little by little, but I'm getting there.
I'm proud of you, Tal. I am proud
I think it would have to do with dancing.
I think
All right,
at
next
the end
one.
of frequency, before we go on the road, you should be able to do a whole routine.
Whoa, of course.
A full choreography.
Not only Willie Bones.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, something else.
I got it.
Exactly. All right.
One
no,
again,
one's
or no,
gone
W
already.
gone again,
All right,
gone.
cool. Because one. Okay, 4. Tell them.
Yeah, I feel
Down
for
on
them. It's just 4.
4.
The next
4
one.
is day.
This past year, you would live over and over again.
Oh my gosh. Who child? Day this past year over and over again? I don't know if there was like a one day. What you saying? Right here, sir? Right now? This past year though, but this we know one new year. What is this cameraman telling me? We know one new year, sir. What
Debbie,
you telling me?
go on thing.
I don't know.
Any experience that you're like, okay, I would do that over again.
Oh my God! Without, I don't want to be like a cry baby kind of, being the somberness of the mood. But I'd love to stand with daddy out of the gas station again. That was the last day I saw him.
Yeah, and you
You
would
know
want
what I
to do
mean?
that. That's
I want
okay.
to do
That's yeah.
Again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, next.
All right, one more. All right. 3. Did we get 3 already? No, did we?
No, we didn't get
All right,
any 3.
we got one. Well, we're almost out of time. But let me see if I can probably do one quick before we go. I don't know. 3 is an exciting thing that happened this past year. I would say that I went to Cabo. I went to Mexico with my girls. Yeah, turned
That's so
up a little bit.
nice.
So I think that was very exciting. I've been to Mexico before, but I've never been to Cabo.
Yeah.
So I got a chance. Oh, and another thing, so I'd say, I saw my best friend get married. I saw my best friend, and I was her maid of honor. So I think those 2 things for me would be, you know.
that's nice.
And I saw how happy she, like, to me, I mean, did I get married? I never
yeah.
You know,
Girl,
but we
I
still
know.
turn up.
I
But hey,
know.
guys, that's how it go.
Yeah,
You know?
well, let me tell you, Mexico Tulum is, it's there
Yeah.
for me. Yes, Clive, we know that you went to Tulum. Anyways, guys, when we come back,
Yeah.
social media personalities, Mama Shale and Rush Camp will share, Rush Cam will share their picks for the top stories online for 2021. Stay with us.